Number one, pinaka-basic, pag naging part ka ng Sunday, we will be giving you discounts on the products. Discount, di ba? So, anong benefit nun? Eh, di nakatipid ka. Tama? Nakatipid ka. Ngayon, kung nakatipid ka, ano pang pwede mong gawin? Eh, di pwede kang kumita. Paano? Eh, di ibenta mo yung produkto. Kasi pag binenta mo, may kita ka. Right? Kasi pag member ka, we'll be giving you discount. So, meaning, if you will just sell the products to friends, relatives, or those people who just wanted to avail of the products, you'll be earning the process. Alam niyo, ito maganda ngayong panahon na ito kumpara nung unang panahon. Nung unang panahon kasi pag pinag-usapan yung word na bentahan, maraming takot. Tama mali. Pag siya ay bentahan, hi, I don't like selling. Pero dahil sa pandemic, yung mga tao naging open sa idea of selling products online. Naging maganda ngayon ang image ng tinatawag na selling or direct selling. So yes, in Sunday, since you'll be given discounts, you can benefit if you sell the products. Pero lang yan, kumbaga, intro lang yan ha. Bonus lang yon. For me, ito pa rin yung pinaka-exciting. Dito natin mapapractice yung tinatawag na law of leverage. So how do you do this? For example, this is you. Sorry ha, medyo ang sample ko kasing map dito is the US eh. This is what I use when we launch the US eh. Diba? So, for example, sige, US tayo, di ba? Uy, lumalaki US natin ha. Sino rito may mga group na sa US, nasa mga kamay? Diba? English yung language na ha? English. Practice na ha? Uy, grupo niyo, lakas yung grupo mo ha? Message sa akin yan. Yung attorney, sumali na, no? Grabe, congrats ha? Excited ako sa mga yun. For example, here you are. You're in Metro Manila. Di ba? And you were able to invite, let's say, a friend from Baguio. Bumili siya ng package natin. What will happen? Pag yung mga kaibigan mo, nagustuhan ng Sunday, they purchase the package, you'll earn money. Dollars talaga. Sorry ha, pang international yung tinitigan ko kasi ha. Ito yung maganda. Sumali sila, nagustuhan nila yung produkto, ban bumibili sila. What will happen? While they are buying products, you're also earning in the process. Clear? Yes. Ito yung maganda. Sila naman nag-decide mag-invite. Yung tiga Baguio, nag-invite ng tiga Davao. Yung tiga Davao, sumali rin. Ang good news is, pag nangyari yun, kumita yung tiga Baguio, kumita ka rin. Nakukuha niyo yung basic principle? Yes. Alright. Bakit ganun ang ginawa ng Sunday? Simply because we wanted everyone to benefit from the efforts of their team. Nako, pag nakita niyo yung skill na yan up to the global market, you'll be amazed. How to become a Sunday business owners? Let me